They said, work hard and play harder. And that's why I'm here in Mississauga Provincial Park. It's in Elliott Lake, about 6 hours drive from Toronto. Look at these wonderful wood carvings that greeted us at the gatehouse. Simply amazing. Yep, even in September there are mosquitoes, so bring bug spray. We already set up the tent, so now we're gonna set up the bed. Oh, nice and comfy bed. This is our home away from home. Being in nature really recharges you, and I can talk about being outside in nature all day, every day. It's just wonderful feeling. Look how spacious the tent is. It fits about 6 to 8 people. And then there's a little patio there too. Fire pit is ready for some serious cooking.